Every newborn, no matter where they are born, deserves access to expert care. Yet, in many parts of the world, this care is out of reach. Telehealth in neonatology is rewriting that story, offering a digital bridge that connects rural hospitals to urban expertise and bringing hope to the tiniest patients and their families. Telehealth is the use of digital platforms like video conferencing, remote monitoring, and cloud-based data sharing to provide medical care at a distance. In neonatology, it enables specialists to assess and manage newborns remotely. Whether it's guiding resuscitation in real time, reviewing test results, or counseling worried parents, telehealth ensures expert eyes and decisions reach even the remotest bedside instantly. In India and many other developing countries, access to neonatal specialists is concentrated in urban hubs. Rural and Tier 2 hospitals often lack pediatricians trained in newborn critical care. This gap leads to delayed intervention, preventable complications, and emotional and financial strain on families forced to travel. Telehealth closes this gap, facilitating immediate access to specialists, reducing unnecessary transfers, and empowering local teams to take life-saving actions faster. During critical moments like birth asphyxia, teleresuscitation allows specialists to guide local providers step by step, even miles away. Complex cases are reviewed in real time through teleconsultations, enabling accurate diagnosis and decision-making. Ongoing training for NICU nurses and pediatricians is vital. Telehealth delivers continuous learning through virtual simulations, webinars, and bedside case discussions. Telecounseling provides families with clarity, updates, and emotional support, especially when separated by distance from the NICU. Despite the promise, telehealth has its challenges. Poor internet connectivity can disrupt crucial interventions. Data security and patient privacy must be upheld with strong digital protocols. Healthcare teams need training to confidently use telehealth systems. Institutions must also define clear workflows, legal responsibilities, and escalation plans for telehealth-based decisions. As technology advances, neonatal telehealth is becoming smarter. AI can now analyze trends in vital signs to predict deterioration. Wearable biosensors offer continuous remote monitoring. Virtual NICUs may one day allow families to be part of rounds from home, strengthening transparency and trust. This future will be more responsive, personalized, and preventative. Telehealth is not just about technology, it's about connection. A connection between rural and urban care, between specialists and families, between innovation and compassion. Together, by embracing telehealth, we can rewrite the story of neonatal care, one newborn at a time.